Yep, that was me right there, buying pretty much anything and anywhere in the world with cryptocurrencies without fiat money involved. So let me explain how this works. Tevau is an app that allows you to pretty much spend your crypto to buy pretty much anything online or at any shop that accepts credit card. So in this video, I'm going to show you how exactly you can spend your cryptocurrencies to buy pretty much anything and without fiat money involved. I know we all live in crypto, you know what I mean? Like if you want to spend your cryptocurrency, you have to withdraw to your bank account and you have to wait and stuff like that. But with Tevau app, you can get a visual card or a physical card that you can pretty much top it up with USDT, Bitcoin, or any other cryptocurrency. Then you can be able to spend your cryptocurrencies using Tevau app. So in this video, I'm going to show you how exactly you can connect this physical card or visual card that you get from Tevau app to your Apple Pay or to your Google Pay, so that you can be able to scan on any machine and be able to buy pretty much anything online and stuff like that. So without further ado, guys, let's jump right into it without wasting any time. And if you're new to this channel, hey, my name is Arthur, and on this channel I make videos that are good for your cryptocurrency and for your crypto journey. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it without wasting any time. So as you can see, as I said, that this is an app, you can pretty much download it in your phone and then get a visual card or a physical card. You know what I mean? So all you have to do is to top up that card, and once you top it up, you can be able to spend and buy pretty much anything online and stuff like that, and as well as connect it to your Apple Pay or Google Pay to be able to scan on any machine anywhere else in the world. So these things of using a bank and transfer money back and forth is not really worth it, and this app has made it easier for us. You know what I mean? So what you want to do is to download the app in your phone. If you're using an Android, obviously you're going to get it at Google Play, and if you have an iPhone, of course you can also download it at Apple Store. You know what I mean? So let's just jump right into it. Let's jump into my phone, and then I'm going to show you how exactly it works and how exactly you can top it up, and of course how exactly you can connect this visual card to your Apple Pay. You know what I mean? So once you download the app, of course it's gonna look like this, and first step, you're gonna have to verify your account, which is to do the KYC and stuff. Very simple process. And once you verify your account, obviously you're gonna need to deposit some money in your account so that you can be able to buy either a physical card or a visual card. So I've already bought a visual card, and this is the card that I'm gonna use in this video. I'm gonna show you how exactly you can top it up and connect it to your Apple Pay or Google Pay, so that you can be able to scan at any machine or be able to put your credit card information on any website and be able to buy things using your cryptocurrency and stuff like that. And once you get the card, you're good to go, and you're gonna be on step 4, whereby you can be able to spend your cryptocurrency anywhere and everywhere in the world and stuff like that. So as you can see, my account is already verified and I'm good to go, and all I have to do is to click where it's written wallets right here and top up my account. So to do this, you're gonna have to click deposit right here. All right, and of course I'm gonna deposit USDT, and of course what you have to choose in network. So you can see that they have TRC20 and Arbitrum and BEP20, but cheapest one is BEP20 and is fast, so I'm just gonna use BEP20. So right here, all I have to do is to copy the address like this and then go ahead and make a deposit. You know what I mean? Already, so you can see that we have successfully made a deposit to our wallet. So now we have 20 USD that we're gonna use for this video. You know what I mean? So let's go to cards right here, and of course let's try to link our card to our Apple Pay so that we can be able to pay and scan on any machine using our card, right? Because we already have a card. So to do this, let's go ahead and top it up, right? Because we have $20 in our wallet. Let's click 20. All right, because we have $20 in our wallet. Now let's just go ahead and click on, let's put our 6 digits, one, then boom. Now we have top up our card with $20, so we can be able to spend this $20 using this card. You know what I mean? So now you can see that in our card we have at least 19.80 US dollars that you can be able to spend. So you can also view this CVV right here and everything. You can also see the card number. So what you want to do is you want to go to your Apple Pay, all right, to your Apple Pay, and click where it's written add card like this, right? So it's just gonna load up, and then It's going to take you to this page, and then you're going to have to click where it's written debit card or credit card right here and click continue. And of course, what you're just gonna click where it's written enter card details manually like this. And of course, you're gonna have to put expiry date and that CVV. You know what I mean? So expiry date is, then you go ahead and click next and then add this card. You know what I mean? So it's very simple like this. Now you can see that it's just loading up, and then we're going to add this card to your Apple Pay so that we can be able to scan at any machine and be able to pay and stuff like that. Just go ahead and agree to terms and conditions and stuff like that, and we're good to go. You know what I mean? So this is very easy, and they made it easier for us so that we can be able to buy things anywhere using cryptocurrency and stuff like that. So you can see that now we have successfully added this card to to our Apple Pay, and then we all have to do is to complete verification. Very simple. We can just put the code that they sent to our card right here. You know what I mean? To our card. You know what I mean? So let's just check for verification right here. Now we are good to go. We can be able to spend our cryptocurrency using this card right here, and you can also be able to top up your account with cryptocurrency so that you can be able to spend your cryptocurrency using this card right here and scan anywhere in the world. You know what I mean? So all I have to do is just to double click like this and choose this card right here, which is Tevau, and scan at any machine and be able to pay. So this is it. My name is Arthur, guys. Just wanted to show you this good news so that you guys can also be able to spend your cryptocurrency anywhere in the world without depositing to the bank and doing withdrawal and then go back and forth and waste a lot of time and stuff like that. But with this app, it has made things easier for you to spend your cryptocurrency. If you live in crypto like me, you know that this is a big deal, because you're gonna save a lot of time and a lot of money for transaction fees and stuff like that. So my name is Arthur, guys. Just wanted to show you about this card. Therefore, for the video, guys. Love and peace, guys.